geometric progression 4, 8, 16. Find the geometric mean of 256 and 1024. The 11th term, the sum of the first 11th term. So, solution. So geometric mean, so they need number which is between 256 and 1024 in geometric progression. So we use this formula. So first term, second term, so third term, also there are second, first over second term. So it is like in a geometric, so 2, 5, 6, then x, then 24. So the geometric mean then they need the number which is between 256 and 1024 in geometric progression. So this number, so this is the first term, second term, and the third term. So in the formula we have second, first, third, second. So we are going to substitute this. So second term is x equals first term, which is 256, third term, which is 1024, then second term again x, then you cross multiply. Here when you multiply x times x, you get x squared. Here you multiply so when you multiply 256 multiply by 1024, so you get 26214. Then you introduce square root. Here cancel, here remain. Then again you find square root, which is a 5, 1, 2. So this is the geometric mean. So the second question, which is the 11th term. So to find the 11th, we use this formula. So find first term n minus 1. So the 11th term, so a represent our first term in geometric progression. So our first term is 4. So r represents common ratio. So to find common ratio, use common ratio. Second term divide by first term. So our second term is 8 divided by first term 4. So our common ratio is 2. So you write 2. Any number of term which is the 11th term, you write 11 times 1. So 4, 2, which is 11 minus 1, 10. Then you multiply. So 2 mean you multiply 2 10 times. So 2 multiply by 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 2. So 1, 2, 3, 7 multiply by 2. So then you multiply. So you get 10, 24. Multiply again by 4. So this is the 11th term. So how can you prove that your answer is correct? So you get so in a geometric progression we have 4, 8 and 6, 16. So they multiply by common ratio we found. So they 4 multiplied by common ratio they get 8. So 8 by common ratio they get 16. So fourth term will be 16 multiplied by common ratio, which is 16 multiplied by common ratio, which is 2, gets 32. Again multiplied by 2, which is this one, which is the fifth term. Multiply again by 2, which is a common ratio, 128. Then again multiply by 2, which is a common ratio, which is 256. Multiply again by 2, 512. Multiply again by 2, which is 24. Multiply again by 2, multiply again by 2. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so this is the 11th term and is the one which we found here. So as you prove here, then you are comfortable that my answer is correct. So look at here, as I said again, the number between 256 and 1000, when you come on here, which is the number between 256 and 1000, which is 115, which is the geometric mean between this, and is the one we found here. So we go on to the third question. So the sum of the first 11th term. So on sum there are two formulas, which are the sum. So there are two formulas on sum of the first of sum of the geometric progression. So use this one when common ratio is above 1. For example, is above 1, 2, 3 and above. So use this one. So when common ratio r is less than, so the r you found when it's less than 1, so you for e.g. it's you found 0.5 or 0.8 or 0.05, use this one. So our common ratio is 2, is above 1, so we are going to use this one. So sum, which is 11th term, which is in open brackets. Our first slide highlights the formula. So our common ratio is 2. So then any number of them, which is 11 minus 1 over common ratio 2 minus 1. So sum, which is 11th term. So 2 you multiply 2 11 times. So 2 multiplied by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So minus 1. So you multiply 2. So when you multiply over 2 minus 1, so when you multiply, you're getting 2, 4, 8 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 is 1. So when you subtract minus 1, you are getting, so here I forgot a, which is the first term. So our first term is 4. So here is supposed to be, so here it's supposed to be 4. So when you subtract, you are getting 2, 4, 7 multiplied by 4. So you are getting 8, 1, 8, 8. So this is the final answer. So here there is a 4, which is the first term. So in the formula there is a here, which is the first term. So I forgot to put C for a. So how can you prove also this one? So we were finding the 11th term. So then the 11th term we listed is here. So sum mean addition, the number you get after addition, that is what is mean sum. So the sum of the first 11th term. So when you add all this, you are getting this. When you add all this, which is the 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So when you add this, you get this number. Then your answer is correct. So let's try. So 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128 plus 256 plus 512 plus 1024 plus 24 plus 4896. So when you add this, you are getting 8188. Then your answer is correct. You found. So you can prove this to be comfortable with your solution.